everybody, my name's Ali and I'm going to teach you how to draw a Washington Monument. So, the first step, you can use a ruler if you need to, draw a line. Second, draw the same thing, draw a line. And then I draw these, it's like diagonal just a little bit, but not that much. Then you put a straight line on this top. And this is the second step. Third, draw the same thing like you did for the second and first step. Okay. Then you draw a triangle like that. And then you put a mini door at the bottom. Then put a straight line on each side and do the same step like I said for the first, second, and third. Where's this side? And the fourth step is to draw a flag on the flagpoles. And that's how you draw it. Huh? What? Huh? Oh, now I'm going to color it in with my colors that I picked out. Now I colored it in, and these are all the steps how to make draw a Washington Monument. Thank you for watching my video.